You guys, what is one of my favorite things? It's always mystery boxes, and I have another one for you. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Melt Cosmetics mystery boxes. So I have both mystery boxes here with me today. They did announce there were two separate boxes available. They're actually really affordable too. The one box is only $25, which I thought for a mystery box was really good. But I bought both of them, so this is going to be one of my episodes of I bought it so you don't have to. I'm going to do a full unboxing and show you guys all of the products that are inside of these mystery boxes, and then if you like them, you can go get yourself one. So as always, I will be posting links down below for these two mystery boxes. They are in stock as of the timing of this video. They both are spring themed. I think one of them's called like the Blooming mystery box and something like that. But they have different prices on each of them, so I'm going to separate them out down below. I can't quite remember what they're called, but I'll have them listed down there. But like I said, I went ahead and ordered both. The smaller mystery bundle is $25. And this is what it will look like here. So we'll go through all of these products, but honestly, there's like 5 products in here for 25 bucks. Like, that's a really good price point. And then the larger mystery bundle is $75 for it. And it came in this giant bag, and it's heavy, you guys. So I don't know, I'm assuming this cosmetic bag is part of it, but then when I open it up, this is what it looks like. So again, for $75, I feel like there's a lot of products inside of these. These might be their best mystery bundles yet. So we're gonna start with the smaller mystery bundle. This is the one that I said I spent $25 on this bundle. Keep in mind, because it is a mystery, we may receive different items. Usually, my past experiences with Melt Cosmetics is we all receive the same items. They just might change the shades up just slightly, but typically they're about the same in everybody's bundle. So that's what I'm gonna go with. So the first item that I have in here is one of their cream blush lights. This is in the shade Sandy Cheeks. Now these are all full-size products, and last I knew, Melt was sold at Sephora, but I don't know if they're still there or not. I haven't honestly checked. But I always just try their products out from their mystery boxes because it's just a cheaper way to do it. But this is what their Blush Light Compact will look like here. It's a cream product, and it will blend out beautifully as a blush, but then it also blends into a highlighter all in one. So you do have a touch of shimmer to it, but it's not a lot. Now there is a mirror, but then this is that Sandy Cheeks color. I do think this is going to be nice for summertime because it is a little bit warmer of a glow. So I do think it's nice. I also received their Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Afterglow. Now I have tried a couple of these highlighters out already from them. They're actually really nice as a body highlighter. So instead of using it just on your face, where normally I will just highlight, you know, here and right on my nose or something, these are great if you want to put them on like your collarbone. Like if you're going out swimming or going to the beach, you can kind of contour with this. It's really pretty. Now this color is definitely more of that bronze color, but you're going to see that beautiful shimmer in there. I have this product already and I used it. Now that I have a bit of a tan, I was like, okay, now I can use this product. It is beautiful on you guys, and you get so much product in here. It's gonna last me forever. And now I got a second one, so I am good to go on body highlighters. The next item that I have is their Perfectionist Brow Pen. This is an ultra fine brow pencil, and it is the Universal Brown shade. So let me see what this looks like. It is a full-size product in here. And, oh, maybe? Man, sometimes these packagings are just too snug. You know what I mean? Like, they just don't want to come out. But this is what it will look like here. And then this will be your pen. I think I said pencil earlier, but it is a liquid pen. So we'll do a quick swatch here so that way you guys can see it. Oh yeah, it's a nice brown. You know what's really nice is it's a lighter brown shade, so it's not real dark. I think that's really pretty, you guys. Honestly, so far I will use all of these. And at $5 each, like, that's a steal, you guys. All right, next item that I have in here is a clear brow gel. So this is their clear eyebrow gel that you can use to shape and kind of mold your eyebrows any which way that you would like. So this is what it will look like here. It's metal tubing, so it's a little bit heavy. And then, like I said, the gel itself is clear, but this will be the wand here that you can use to apply that on. Now, it doesn't look very clear there, but I'm sure you can kind of work with it and blend it out. This is the first product that I probably won't use, but it's still a full-size product. So I do think it's worth it in the bag. Now, the last item that I have in here is the brow pencil, but this is in brown, and I'm assuming it's this color. So it is a dark brown shade. Now, this one might be too dark for me. I really liked the other one, but let's see here what this one looks like. And this says it's a pencil. So this one has kind of that angled look there. And yes, it is a little bit deeper of a brown color, but that's the pencil version. The other one was a liquid one that we saw. This does have a spoolie on the end of it versus the liquid pen did not have that. So for $5 a piece, I don't think this was that bad, actually. Honestly, I feel like all of them are wearable. I may not use the clear brow gel myself, but in terms of a review, I think this is a pretty good deal for 25 bucks. So now let's get into our larger mystery box. This is the one that's $75 to purchase, and it came in this very large velvet bag. Now, it does have the word melt stamped on the front here, and then it looks like we have all sorts of constellations. It's a deep, dark green color. Now, my camera is brightening this just so you can see all of the depth, but when you take it away, this is honestly how it looks in person. It's a very dark green color. So when you get up close to it, you can definitely see those constellations, but just know that it's not as bright as what my camera is doing. So our first item in here is the Sundown Blush Light. So this one again is a full-size blush highlighter compact, and the shade is called Sundown. So we'll pull this one out and you can see what that looks like. So this one again is very warm. It's giving me the bronzing glow for summer. This is more of a powder formula versus the last one that I showed you is a cream formula. Oh, but I do have a cream blush light in here as well. This is in a different shade. So this one is in the shade Polished. And I'm gonna have a lot of these by the end of these unboxings. So this one is a cream blush light, and it has a little bit more of that reddish undertone in there. It's like a peach red. So this will definitely go down more of like that berry blush color. But again, since it's cream, you can really blend these out and soften them too. I do like that all of these have been full-size products. I can't remember if they advertised that or not for their mystery boxes, but everything so far for me has been full size. Now, the next item that I have is their Electrip Lip Paint. This is in the shade Sunburst. Now, this is neon, and we had some of these a while back in a mystery bag, and oh my gosh, you guys, they're intense. So I'm a little nervous, but this is called Sunburst, and it is their lip paint. I think it's this color here. In the packaging, it's gorgeous. I love what this is giving. But the last time, some of the shades just were not very wearable, and that was my issue with it. So let's do a swatch here. I'm gonna go right above, and oh my gosh, it's definitely Sunburst. I will say that is appropriately named. I love the bright orange. You can see that shift of gold in there as well. It's really pretty, but the fact that this is supposed to be a lip product, it's intense. I think some people can pull it off. I just don't know if I'm that person, but I do think it is beautiful. Oh, we did get their mascara though. So this mascara is really good. If you guys have not tried it, I do recommend it. I'm kind of surprised it's in the mystery bag, to be honest with you, but this is their Supernatural Lash Mascara. It's an ultra black formula, and it's designed to give you a lot of volume. So this is what it looks like here. It is a metal tube. It's very heavy. And then you've got all of the red design. And then, like I said, it's going to be their ultra black formula. It does have an hourglass shape to the wand, but also the fibers are different lengths. So it does a really great job of coating all of your lashes no matter what the length they are. So it even works on that lower lash line. This is really good. I do like this mascara. It's not waterproof, but I think they do make a waterproof version. Next item that I have is another one of their liquid highlighters. This is Peaches in Cream on this one. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. Again, you can use this just on your face if you want to, but I feel like they do much better as a body highlighter. And this one definitely has more of that peach undertone in it. So, you know, if you order both of these, you'll have one that's a little bit more bronzy and this one's a little bit more peach. So depending on your skin tone, you get a little of both. Oh, and we even have body glitter. This is the body glitter pot, and it is in the shade Kaleidoscope. So I'm wondering if that means we're gonna get all of the shades of the rainbow? Maybe, since it says Kaleidoscope, I'm not sure. But it says it's a body glitter. You wanna keep this away from your face and eyes, use it only on the body. So we'll go ahead and look at this. Oh, yes, it's like a gel formula. And you can see it's all sorts of shimmery colors. It is really pretty. I do think these are great for if you want a fun costume look or a festival look or anything like that. There is a use for these. I don't feel like this is an everyday look, but I do think there is a look to be made with these. Now, I like that this is more of that jelly formula, so it's very soft, it's creamy and easy to apply, and typically it will last all day because of the formula that they have. So I like this. It's a nice glass jar as well. You get quite a bit in here. So this is pretty. Last item inside of the larger mystery bag is a palette. This is their Smoke Sessions eyeshadow palette. This is a full-size product that we have here. So we'll go ahead and pull this out, and that way we can take a look at this one. We do have a mirror up at the top, and then down below we're gonna have all of our gorgeous mattes and shimmers. Look at how beautiful these are down here. I love those. But I kind of like the gold to blue shift. It's very pretty. Now, looking at this, compared with some of the other colors that we've had too, I think like some of those highlighters are gonna go beautifully with this. Man, those are really pretty in person. You could also create a look just with these three. You could do a look with just these three as well. You could with this, but it'd be really dark and murky. But I don't know. I feel like those three would be a really pretty combo for the summer. Or add in a touch of gold on that inner eye and then do the blue-green. That'd be pretty too. I feel like I will use this. I think there's enough fun aspects to this. These are really dark in the middle here, but I really like these end ones. So I like it. I think this one is good. Melt's brand is very push the envelope, so all of these products are definitely on point for who they are, and I do like that they have a variety of products in these mystery bags. Now, in this larger one, we had a total of 7 items plus the cosmetic bag, so I would say 8 in total, because I think that counts as one of your products in there. But I feel like, yes, it was a little bit more. You are getting the palette in there, but I still feel like $25 for 5 products is a pretty good deal on that smaller one. So if you're interested in either of these, I'll post the links down below. That way you guys can go check them out. But I do think the value is there, and I like that these are much more wearable, because sometimes we've had colors that are really bold and intense, something like this. But I definitely think those highlighters you can use all the time. The eyeshadow palette's really pretty. I do think the glitter is gorgeous. I may not use it all the time, but I do like it a lot. And the mascara is wonderful. So all in all, I actually think these are really good mystery boxes, but I think you're best off getting the smaller one because it's such a great deal. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the mystery boxes today. And again, if you'd like to go get them, I have those links all listed down below. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!